Okay, this is Rad Randy. Since the last video, I hadn't really done a whole lot. I did get this side finished up, got it all welded up, angled in. Panels fit good. I gotta bend this down here. It's a little at the wrong angle, but I'll bend that. And I think whenever I weld this in, I'm gonna drill holes and do the rosette welds like a spot weld on these. I think that's the best way to put these floor pans in. My plan is to get all this fitting good, get this at the right angle. I think I'm gonna cut this floor pan out back here beyond where this one will go, and start laying them in. And I was thinking about a while ago, you know, on these door jambs here, they tie in right here to the floor pans with this little bracket right here. Piece comes down and goes over on there. I was gonna put some stiffeners in here, some, you know, stuff to stiffen this up, give my door gaps right, and put all that in here. But I've kind of changed plans and figured best way to do it, I think, is just to cut this floor pan out back here, get this out of my way, take this side out, get it out of the way, and then just start laying these in. I know about where they're supposed to go, so I think that'd be my best bet, is go ahead and start laying them in, tack them down, check everything, and make sure that it's in the right place. Then, where I get them tacked in, then I can adjust this door and this jamb and make sure, you know, it's in the right place, to where the contour of the door and the quarter fit together good, and my gap and my body line in the body. So that's my plan. I don't know if it'll work or not. I guess, you know, if something don't work out right, I can just cut it loose and, you know, go to plan B, try something different. I believe that'll work out okay. But anyway, I'm gonna get started on that, and I'll get back with y'all in a little while.